I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to be able to make your own homemade shakes and be able to control all the ingredients that go into it, you have to check this out. And I have been so thoroughly impressed with this Prasky Professional Blender Grinder Combo Set. This definitely lives up to its name. The big cup can hold up to 2 liters. It has a 6-petal blade. The handle and everything about it is so well made. It has a removable top. Just listen to the increasing intensity of this blender. It also has a pulse mode. Be sure to follow its instructions to putting in liquid, powder, fresh and frozen items. This will allow your blender to work its magic and to last as long as possible. It will liquefy almost anything. Look how smooth it pours out. It also can handle blending up nuts. If you want to do coffee grounds, I use this for protein granola. It also comes with a smaller sidekick, which is perfect for me when I'm wanting to make a personal smoothie. It makes it easier to control the quantity so that I'm not making too much for me in the day. Another use that I have for this is composting. I will put all of the kitchen scraps, my coffee grounds. This is when the opening on the top comes in handy because you can take the staff and to push anything down that is being stubborn. I then put this into the garbage to later be put into our compost when I have more built up. Cleaning is a breeze. I do a squirt of soap, fill it with water, and turn it on high. Now I can wash it by hand with ease. I love how big the motor is. It's easy to wipe off and to store in my cabinet. So I truly was impressed at the quality and how thorough this blender grinder set was. But that's just my point of view.